coming. Thank you for availing yourselves. We know that it's a lot of programs going on the regions. The chairperson, Mr. Mbwenga, I don't know if I should call him Mr. Obama. It's Mr. Wetawake Mwenya, who is the chairperson of this province, who is supposed to be here to officially open the ceremony or the workshop for us. But unfortunately, he is on a national call-up. We are so happy that they made victory yesterday with the Basetsana team under 20. He was with them. The second apology is from Mr. Mhlongo. He has lost a very close family member, so he couldn't make it. We know that he's one of the drives behind even today's workshop. So I would like to tender those two apologies, and the third one will be from Vice Chairperson of the province, Ms. Tabile Msomi. So those are three apologies we're having as KwaZulu-Natal Football Association. On my left-hand side, we've got Babu Masondo. He is the president, you call it president of Pro Beach Soccer South Africa. That has done a launch, I think it's 2 months back. It was in Gateway. And again, he is the president again for Pro Beach at national level. And then on the far left of my hand, it's Coach Ntokozo Bengu. He's from eThekwini. He is part of CAF in Pro Beach, in beach soccer. He is part of CAF. He has been coaching our national team. When they say Beach Soccer South Africa, this is the head coach. So we are so blessed today to have them here, blessing this event for us. And today, actually, it's a kickoff for the Pro Beach, the first ever, am I right? The first ever professional beach soccer league. It's done in KZN, good people. I don't know if you get me right. It's done in KZN. They decided as Pro Beach that we are going to KZN. And in KZN we said, our hands are open. The reason we are here today is that we need to do development in regions now. As much as we are going to be the host of this professional league, but what is happening in development in our regions, which is our main focus as the federation. And then we came together and said, no, let us call our regions, let us sit down, explain that now, as we are going to have this professional league run in our jurisdiction, our regions should be the beneficiaries. Even those regions that are not here, we are going to make sure that they get information, they decide what do they want to do. We as a province, again, has got a vision. We want to see beach football in all our 11 regions. We know that there are regions that don't have ulwandle and the sand and everything, but with the expertise from Abo Babu Masondo, Nabo Bengu, we will make it a point that even in Newcastle, Majuba, beach soccer is played today. At the end of the day, we need to have our own provincial league, which is a development league that will be feeding a professional league. At the same time, we need to go down to the regions. The regions are going to be a feeder to a provincial league. The beach football there is the same like indoors, that's what they said. But we will connect it as we go forward. But for now, what we want to see our regions starting to move on beach soccer. Thank you so much. I would love to give to you, Babu Masondo.
Nokubonga ithuba engiliphiwe mina ngubhekisizwe body ngakwaMasondo uqhamuka kuyo i-professional beach soccer league as a chairman and ku-professional ku-Pro Beach Soccer SA as the president. Umkhakha we-football ngisebenze kakhulu kwi-grass football. Kunamaqembu engangwa-manager amanye ngiwa-CEO wabo. Ngabala nje ambalwa ngibalo City Sharks, ngibalo Arrows, ngibalo Mpumalanga Black Aces, oNathi Lions, Durban Bushbucks, amaqembu nje amaningana. Amanye ngeke ngiwaqede SACT Pillars. Elesihlabathi ngikhethiswa ukuthi ngibuka izwe lakithi ngendlela ekwenzeke ngayo ukuthi sake saba khona salunguza kwelesihlabathi. Kodwa kwaphinde futhi kwanyamalaleka asazi manje ukuthi sikuphi kanti we are the first country to have introduced the sport la kwi-continent. Kodwa mawuthi uyabuka nakuma-ratings asiveli or ama-rankings asiveli nje lutho. I think a week ago the African Beach Soccer Union beyikhipha ama-rankings awama-countries. Kube yihlazo kakhulu futhi kwababuhlungu kumina ukuthi asiveli nje makuvele. Si-country kuwukuthi ngasho ngathi it's like we never participated. Kanti kuyithi futhi abantu ukuthi salethe sport ku-continent. Sesize sivulwa amanye ama-countries okuwukuthi awanayo infrastructure esinayo esingafuni ukuyisebenzisa ngoba mhlambe sinokudebesela. Kodwa izinto ikhona sifuna lezi esingenazo. Ingakho ke kuye kwathi asike sihlangane siyabafowethu siwu4 as directors zale nkampani ukuthi asihlale phansi sifake isicelo kuSAFA KZN ukuthi sicela ithuba lokuthi asinikwe ukuthi mhlambe sizame ukuyiphusha le nqola. Kodwa ke umdali evumile nabo beyibona i-idea and be positive futhi beyithanda basho bathi no ayiqaleni khona. Iko ngisho ngithi siyayibongela siwu-Pro Beach Soccer SA ithuba esinikezwe kuSAFA KZN ngokuthi usithembe ngeprogram ye-beach soccer. I-beach soccer le sinama-programs ekuwukuthi angamelane nokudlala. Amanye ahambisana nezemfundo, amanye ahambisana ney'nsiza esiyidingayo komasipala. Ngizoqala nje ukuthi ngiqale la ekudlaleni. Ekudlaleni iligi yethu inama-teams awu-12. Iyi-professional league idlala iy'nyanga eziwu-8 ukusuka ngoSeptember kuze kuyoshaya ngo-April. Idlala iy'nyanga eziwu-8. We believe also is the longest league ekhona ye-beach soccer and the first ever professional league ekhona in the whole world ye-beach soccer, because kwamanye ama-countries even no Brazil kudlalwa ama-tournaments it's over 2 months, abanye 6 weeks, but now we've got a 8-month program esiyidlalayo as a professional league. Ekuwukuthi sibuka futhi kakhulu inzuzo ezoba khona ngapha ngasohlangothini leSAFA ukuthi ngoba sabuka ukuthi the selections that were done previously kuso sona squad sethu abadlali kwakufanele ukuthi bakhishwe ku-grass football bebuye bazo-adjusta la ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sivale isikhala lesokuparticipate kuma-international tournaments, which it was not easy ngoba ukususa umuntu le uthi akabuye azojwayela la ebuye futhi ezobuyela le kanti futhi nala umsusa khona uyahola nokhona. Kwase kuba ile nto ukuthi yini singavulela abanye abantu amathuba omsebenzi kube khona abasebenzayo bahlale le mase kuba khona laba abazoqashwa la ukuze wonke umuntu akwazi ukusebenza ngoba in the whole of South Africa we've got only 32 professional teams in a form of NFD ne-PSL, and wonke lawo ma-teams angeke akwazi uku-absorba bonke abafana ukuthi nje babamukele bonke abafana bazibona ngaphandle kokuthi sivule ini ama-opportunities afana nalawo, because this also falls under football. and it can be an industry on its own ekuwukuthi ingaqasha abadlali or coach or team manager or kid manager kube nama commentators, you know, wonke umuntu okhona ngale akwazi ukuthi abe khona. Kodwa into ezoba khona ezoba semqoka ukuthi abantu bazokwazi ukuthi kube khona isinto esibakhona ekhaya, especially mase professionalizer siyirana ngendlela correct. Indlela correct ukuthi kufanele le league yethu ikwazi ukuthi yenze izinto ezidingakalayo. Uma ngaba abadlali bebhadala, abadlali fanele bakhokhe tax. Ama teams lawa akhona, ama teams ekuwukuthi registered as companies. Being registered as companies, kufanele ukuthi abe ne letter of good standing, kufanele ukuthi abe ne sound bank account, kwenziwa a background check eka owner ukuthi owner akukho la ithinteka khona. Mhlambe asikhulumi ngokwebhola kuphela ukuthi mhlambe fraud or kuphi, ngoba if kunjalo i-team yakho asivumeli ukuthi ube nayo. Then ke that's the criteria esayuza ukuthola ama teams, and sazama ukuthi asithola ama team la eduzane because we still developing the sport. And la sikhona kule 12 team league for 2 years angeke sibe nayo i-relegation ne-promotion because we still developing the game. Into esizoyenza ngonyaka wesithathu kula sizo-introduce khona u-Division 1. U-Division 1 ozophuma kuphi kuma-institutions of higher learning, ama-universities nama-league lawa azokwenziwa kuma-LFAs ethu aphansi kwama-region. Then mase siqala si-implementa i-relegation ne-promotion. Sibuye futhi size ngapha kuma-CSI projects. We do have ama-CSI projects eswenzayo, ngoba angithi sisebenzisa ulwandle. Uma sisebenzisa ulwandle asingalisebenzisi ulwandle ngendlela yokudlala kuphela. Asisebenziseni nemisebenzi esiyitholayo lapho ukuze sikwazi ukuthola uqashwa. Sonke siyazi ukuthi ulwandle luletha imali engakanani la ekhaya. Masikhuluma ngolwandle, it's an economic hub yala eSouth Africa because of izinto ezifikayo, ezinye ezidlulayo, ezinye ezikhishwa la ekhaya eziyangaphandle. So umnotho ukhona la. Ngoba uma sikhuluma nge-ocean economy, sikhuluma ngo-gas exploration, sikhuluma ngo-maritime studies. Izinto ekuwukuthi iy'ngane zethu aziyazi lento. Uma ukhuluma nabo ubatshela ngalento, it's like you're talking a foreign language. And umuntu uyabuka olunye uhlobo labantu olugcwele lapha. And yibo abadlondlobalayo because they understand that and they got an opportunity yokuthi bafundiswe ngalokho. Ingakho sithi sivula lawo mathuba ukuthi izingane zethu zazi ukuthi kunamathuba emisebenzi afana nalo. Ngoba uma sesiqala sesiyenza i-CSI project yethu, kula sizokwazi ukuthi sithathe izingane zethu sizifake kulawo ma-program sekuyoba kuzona ukuthi ziyakhetha-ke ukuthi zibe yiphathi yaloko noma cha. Infrastructure development sizothanda ukuthi sisebenzisane nomasipala nama-councillors ukuthi sikhulume nawo ama-council ukuthi sicela ukuthi awa-identify i-base ezikhona kuma-communities ethu. Lezo i-base ilezi esizocela ukuthi akwakhiwe iy'nkundla ze-beach soccer la kuzokwazi ukuthi ama-LFAs ayisebenzise, ama-region ayisebenzise. Kuningi okusazokwenzeka nama-programs esisazowahlanganyela nawo SAFA, kodwa enkulu kakhulu ile yokudevelopa i-beach soccer. Siqale la sizoqhubeka nayo sihambe siyise kwezinye indawo along the coastline, sihambe nayo siyise ku-inland izikwazi ukuthi ibe national. Okuningi mayelana nayo igame ukuthi idlala kanjani noma kwenzakalani ngizokunikela kuye ucoach uNtokozo kube uyena ozokwazi ukuthi unveil yabo.
I'm wearing 2 caps kahle, ile Pro Beach and the cap yaka SAFA under development. Then kube le African Beach Soccer Union as one of the technical committee members. naye appointment is based on Safa was very supportive. But I'm happy ukuthi iKZN ifike yavela kuqala kubantu bePro Beach ukuthi yila vele ibeach soccer edlalwa khona nabantu abaku-national team bekuba u-90%. Udala ukuthi besihosta ama-interprovincial akaze ahoste kwenye indawo ahoste la makuthule thina kuthule iSouth Africa yokuthulile njengoba ne-league nje iqala la eThekwini okuyiphathi yase-KZN. Mhlawumbe nale gama elithi beach soccer lizomdida umuntu osuka eMzinyathi. Sand soccer sokusebenzisa nje sithi hayi sand soccer ngoba kudlala ehlabathini ukuthi kunamagagasi eceleni akusho lutho. We can have ama-artificial beach soccer field sidlale yonke iKZN. And into enhle nge-beach soccer-ke is a natural sport. Awudingi makhokho, awudingi machine gun, udlala ngeenyawo bare-feet. So lokho kuzosiza ekutheni ama-brand oNike nobani emakhokhweni lokho kuyabahlukanisa abadlali. Khona ithime idliwe nje idliwela ukuthi ibuka abantu begqoke i-Argentina ikhokho bona befaka amakhokho esimanje manje akhohle ukuthi adlala ikhokho ileza inyawo idlala. So nathi eKZN ngiyacabanga ukuthi iPro Beach njengoba ifikile kuzomela ispread ukuthi ngale ndlela ukuthi lama-region ngesizini ezayo abe khona ngoba kuzobe kurelegate ngaleya yesibili. Sazi ukuthi njengo-SAP ama-region azokhipha ama-teams awo 11 ahamba ayodlala bawabhukhela adlale kuphume leyo mhlawumbe top 4 ngoba top 2 I think is too narrow ukuthi singavele sithi ayi-top 2 ezophakama but konke kuzodiscusswa ama-custodians e-football okusafa. Ngo-2005 kwavela invitation from Brazil yathatha nje 2 weeks bathiwa lesani team iyodlala i-World Cup. Into engangiqala nokuyizwa ukuthi uya-invite uyodlala i-World Cup ama-rules ayengekho kwathiwa eThekwini bayedwa umdlalo engadlala eThekwini kwakuDellen Dix wase-Cape Town ubaba wakhe lo bephethe i-FC Cape Town. The 11 players bekawanda ucoach kowanda kwase kusuka uZola from East London wayimanager. So angazi i-percentile team mokhuluma nge-national team ne-beach okuchaza ukuthi iKZN is the home of beach soccer. Lokho kumele sihambe nakho esemakhaya ukuthi i-beach soccer yana ngisho ngakuthiwa seyi-national kodwa yonke kuyena ngoba yikona Safa okwazile ukusupport. 2006, 2007, 2008 ama-African qualifier stroke World Cup abela eThekwini kuyithina nje sostana. And mabebuka lolu lwandle la eThekwini baliqhathanisa nelwase-Copacabana eBrazil ukuthi ihlabathi sakhona siyafana indlela esiyiyona ngoba ihlabathi sonke solwandle sifana. Muqhubeka unyuka la eThekwini ushona le ngasekungeni sinomngeni phakathi kusho ukuthi umfula kulethe ihlabathi sawo asikho fine njengalesi singala siyahluka. So mabefika abantu abafuna ukuthi mani host i-event basibheka ihlabathi ukuthi hayi lesi ama-particles aso athanda ukuba tikhanyana kunawo ngale nanombala wakhona is not whitish as compared to endaweni ey'thile. So njengoba sekwazile ukuthi iPro Beach ifike ngiyacabanga ukuthi kube i-opportunity ukuthi siyithathe siyenze kube yethu akusukeli kuba uSafa. iPro Beach ingaphansi kaSafa uwona otarazile wathi Pro Beach siyanika developani i-beach soccer baye kube khona under 15 kube ne-tournament nje ngoba ekugcineni kunezinye izinto ezigcina zingafiki laba abantu abalapha. We had the national team before but angiyithathi njenge-national team ngoba i-concept yokudlala azange siyiqale phansi kwi-grassroots bakhule nayo ukuthi hayi la lo uqale na-9 years usena-20 manje lowo muntu uzokunika ezinye izinto. Beach soccer umdlalo odlalwa abantu abawu-5 bebhekene nabawu-5 kulo 5 kuno-goalkeeper oyedwa nangapha kuno-goalkeeper oyedwa bese kuba nama-substitutes njengoba kuyi-COVID ase-12 ase-7 kade u5 so banyusa inamba khathi kudlalwa uref babili kunoref ngale kunoref ngala ake bahamba njengama assistant referees but lo sondele emabhentshini first ref the second ref bese kuba khona o record keeper o third ref bese kuba khona u time keeper esimthatha njengo fourth ref. Ipisoka ke ngicabanga ukuthi izokwazi ukucwasa abantu ngokoma abilities angifuni ukuthi disabilities ngoba kwipisoka they are able so different abled umuntu mhlawumbe uhamba ku-wheelchair angabe u-record keeper angabe u-time keeper lokho akwenzeki kwamanye ama-sporting codes ngoba umuntu nje uvele kuthiwa para-olympics kuhlukaniswa kanjalo la kwipisoka we want ukuthi i-gender equity ibe khona sibabona o-ref so far sinangisho u-ref okwi-CAF kodwa ithina abaqali belento e-Afrika yonke asina-ref kwi-CAF asinamuntu kwi-CAF but ngokuthi i-KZN izophusha kanje sizothatha u-chairman wethu simfake kwi-CAF asuke kwi-CAF angene kwi-FIFA ayosimele then sesingakwazi ku-host World Cup kodwa sikwazi u-host World Cup iligi singenayo sithi hayi kuyadlalwa nje abadlali kuzofika iGauteng izodlala at one stage iGauteng eRichards Bay yake yafuna sebeseBhish ifeature yababizi phakathi nezikhindi babuya bemanzi imosi umanzi nesikhindi kuneweight uzodlala neKZN evele yona ehlala eBhish inkozi ayisabisi manje ngayibheka nje zayisabisi ikhulu ngoba manje ezazenza umehluko ungakazi ubone ukuthi lo muntu uzothi yena usuke eGauteng uzodlala iBhish soccer seshawa ngo-11 ngo-12 ayisaya kuseyona into ebukekayo khona igoli liyashawa eBhish back to ama-facts eBhish soccer 5 aside ugoalkeeper oyedwa nangabe ugoalkeeper oyedwa nabadlali baphakathi abawu4 makudlalwa urefa akahlangani substitution niyazenzela nini ngoba is a rolling sub uyangena umuntu iminutes aphume u2 minutes aphinda kuyena abanye ke benze njani uyahlala egroundini yenza ama mistakes afuna ukwa correct khona ivele ithi mission ephansi iphele indaba yeteam kule rolling substitution kune substitution zone ngapha nangapha phambi kwamabhenji ilapho nje abantu bezenzela bona ayikho offside ngisho ushintsha ugoalkeeper ayimisa ugame kufanele ube ne-timing ma uzomisa uzoshintsha ugoalkeeper wakho ephuma la ibhola wele opponent liyongena engathi ungathola i-free kick kube yini mase uyamshintsha-ke nayagijime nomunye agijime ngoba i-free kick ayinayo i-time constraint kodwa i-throw in ne-goalkeeper area le esithi u-18 egroundini kuna 4 seconds ukuthi ibhola libe seliphumile lapho ne-corner kick is 4 seconds i-throw in i-free kick ayinayo i-time constraint so ila ungashintsha khona uma ngabe ufuna ukushintsha mhlawumbe usebenzisa tactical ukuthi hayi sengifuna ukushintsha ugoalkeeper nama-free kick akhona njengoba ligama free kusho ukuthi akunadonga ishawa nje ibe i-direct ukuthi la noma ila iba i-direct abantu bayasuswa nje bonke kubhekane nogoalkeeper umuntu ashaya lapho nakhona kuma-free kick i-headball yiyo engashawa inombala noma i-free kick yokuthi ugoalkeeper ulibambe ngaphezulu ka4 seconds ibhola ishawa inombala le but mabe uyise mina futhi ofanele avuka ishaya kodwa muhlakaniphile-ke uyavele ube umuntu osayelele ephuma nge-stretch muwazi ukuthi umuntu oshaya izinto ungaphandle ukuze mekusubstitute ungena straight azoshaya le-free kick iqala noma le-penalty before kuze kwenzeka izinto so abantu bake basebenzisa ubuhlakani-ke lapho uthi bangiwisile kodwa kunawo amandla okususa le-free kick elapho halfway line iya lapho angivele ngiyilimazise ngiphume ngohlaka ngelini aphumeke angene lo munye straight ashaya i-free kick nakhona makudlala makuba ne-red card team iyapanisha for 2 minutes idlala ishort lo red card yaphuma nje akhishwe njengaseground idlale 2 minutes team bese ke uTamkeeper asho ukuthi hayi sophelile 2 minutes seningangena ke nibo 4 idlale igame amanye ama-team ne-capitalize lapho ukuthi kulo 2 minutes le-score goals ngoba ipace yakhona is too high ngale ndlela ukuthi akekho ukhosho ngathi yabuma lapha ibhola lakhona liyashesha and every 30 seconds kufanele kube ne-shot ekhona and minimum yamagoli ku-36 minutes kuba u-9 goals mabephela kwi-draw idlala 3 minutes extra time mayiphela kwi-draw ziyakuma-penalty mawulingana kuma-penalty urefe sebona tossing the coin before kodwa kutossa icoin kuyabhekwa ezinye izinto ama-yellow card ethimini mangaki ama-red card mangaki nakhona ama-points awa-allocate ukuthi 3 points uqedile ukuthi uwine kuma-penalty 36 minutes 3 points extra time ka 3 minutes 2 points ukuwina kuma-penalty 1 point kunamagoli aspectacular njengama-overhead kicks nakhona kunomthetho umuntu umeshaya overhead kick awublock nekhanda uthatha itep nje eziwu2 ayishaya ongcono iblock usula ngoba bafuna lo spectacular ukuthi nje kube nalamagoli akhona